Hello again, this is Jesus from Hustling Labs, and today we're going to be building a video game using Lovable.dev. Lovable is a similar software as V0, Replit Agents, and Bolt.new, in which you can build software, including video games, using prompts and your imagination. Today, we're going to be building a very basic Call of Duty clone, or we're going to try to get there using Lovable's newest update, Three.js integration. Now, with that being said, later on this week, I will be recording a full tutorial on how to use Lovable. It's just that this brand new update captured my imagination and I wanted to go out and build this right here with you. I'm in the free account for Lovable, so I'm not paying yet. I will be becoming a paid customer here in the near future, probably this week, because Lovable is so powerful. I would also do a comparison video between Lovable, Cursor, V0 Replit Agents, and Bolt again later on this week. So you get a better idea of what you can build with Lovable and how it compares with the rest. But today the focus is building a video game engine, a video game that you can play on your computer. With that being said, if you like my videos, if you like these tutorials, please consider liking this video. And if you like what you want to learn a little bit more, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helped me reach my 1,000 subscriber goal by the end of the year. And quite honestly, I would like to get paid for these videos. I'm being transparent with you, and I cannot do that until I reach 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of view time. So I would ask you to help me with that while I help you learn these tools. But we're going to jump right into Lovable and we're going to see what we can do. All right. Right now we are on my Lovable dashboard, and this is how the dashboard look like when you log in. I'm logged in. It gives you an idea of what we're going to be doing. Earlier today, I went to ChatGPT and I wrote a single prompt. I asked to write a prompt for me to be a 3D game, first-person shooter, similar to Call of Duty, but more basic using Three.js, which is the technology that we're going to be using. ChatGPT provided me with this prompt. I'm not going to edit this prompt. I will just go right in and just paste it into Lovable because for the sake of time, we're going to leave that as it is. And we're going to send. So right now, what I'm asking it to do is to use Three.js to build this video game. And right now it's doing its thing in the background. It's setting a super base and everything else. So it's going to start writing the code. I'm not going to waste your time while I write the code. I will be back once the code is written. All right, so it's done writing the code. And as you can see, I already got some UI. It ran into an error, so I asked to fix it, and it did. And it got another error, so I will just ask to fix it. So right now, what it's doing is it didn't install some dependencies. So as you can see, I'm clicking, it's shooting, score is 5. As I move my cursor, it's allowing me to move around. So we got another error, actually, 2 errors. Sure. So we're going to ask to fix again. But again, it's working regardless. Oh, all right. So the aim is a little bit off, but all right, no big deal. Is all right. So I just keep dying because the hell. is 0. But you get the idea. It built first-person shooter. Let me escape. When the reaches 0, I need you to game over. We can restart the game. So basically, once the health reaches 0 right here, I need to say game over and we restart. Even though it is giving me some errors, the game is fully functional. The aim is up. And I can even move around like that. All right, let's see if we did it. All right, so game over. And for the weapon, the off, please recalibrate it. Let's see if it's the aim or if it's just that it's not shooting. But so far, it's building exactly what I want using Three.js, increasing boot speed and showing proper direction normalization for my shooting. All right, so this is the code that is running. So we're going to restart the game and see. All right. Where are the freaking Red Bull? See, what is this? Oh, they are. All right. So I'm shooting at them, but I'm not hitting them. And if the issue is not the aim, then we need to figure out. So we're going to say that when I'm shooting the red balls, I cannot hit them. Make sure when I shoot, the weapon is actually shooting. When I hit the balls, they need to disappear. Basically, logically to me, every time I hit the red ball, it needs to disappear. It needs to, so it doesn't hit me and I get a fighting chance because as of right now, all I could do, I guess, is just run. Hopefully this update would provide a better experience. Increase the bullet size and make them glow yellow for better visibility. Improve the bullet positioning to start from camera position. Okay, so let's try that. All right, so I'm not seeing. Let's open this on a different browser, on a different tab, I should say. Oh, oh, I got hit. Look at that. All right. Every red ball that touches me Sure. Subtract only 5, 9. Help. I don't want to have to restart the game like every time. And that report touches me. I want to only 5. I think that would be much better. A much better experience, I should say. So as you can see, I'm building a full video game, adding logic behind it, asking it to change this, add that, ensuring that it works exactly how I need it to work. Is actually, let's refresh this and let's see. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so it's working a little bit better. It didn't get the full idea, but regardless, it's working better as I intended it to be. And today we have made it to the end of this video. I really appreciate you taking your time and watching this video with me. If you're learning how to build with AI, whether that is video games, software, landing pages, or anything else, please consider subscribing to my channel and like this video and share it with others that might be interested in learning how to build with AI. I really hope that I am helping you build and achieve your dreams and goals in life. And if I am, again, please subscribe to my channel. I hope that you have a great rest of your day and that you can build something truly amazing. If you build something amazing and you want to share it with me, please go on Twitter, send me a DM. My Twitter handle is jvasquez2022. Again, jvasquez with 2 Z's, 2022. And please let me know what you're building and what kind of impact I'm making in your life. Thank you for watching.